Hello, crafty friends. I hope life is treating you kindly. I'm Lubomira, and thank you for joining me today. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Make yourself at home, and I invite you to check out more of my content. For those of you returning, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to spend a few crafty moments with me. I appreciate being able to share my creations with you, and I hope you enjoy the time we spend together as well. Now that you're here, remember to like and subscribe to my channel. By hitting that little bell, you'll get notified every time I post something new, and you'll never miss out on any of the crafty goodness. In today's video, I'm sharing a Mother's Day card. Mother's Day is just around the corner, and I thought it'd be a fun thing to make. It amazes me how fast time goes. We're already into May, and before we know it, it will be the holidays. Mother's Day is a little bittersweet for me. I lost my mom to cancer almost 8 years ago, and honestly, it still stings and probably always will. Emily Dickinson once wrote, "Love is immortality," and I truly believe that. Our loved ones live on through the love they had for us and through our love for them. In that spirit, I dedicate this card to my mom and all the moms out there in body and spirit. Let's get into this video. For this card, I used Dollar Tree dies, gem letter stickers, and a stamp set to make the greeting. I started by cutting a card panel down to 3 3/4 by 5 inches. I used a T-square to mark the middle of my panel with a vertical line in pencil. I used the mark to place the heart die straight. This heart is the largest one from the Dollar Tree die set. I used washi tape to secure my heart into place and then ran it through my die cut machine off camera. I removed the washi tape from the heart cutout, erased the line, and used the floral border die to die cut a portion of the heart. I placed the border die across the heart horizontally and secured it with washi tape. I used my craft mat to make sure both the heart and the border die were straight before running them through my die cut machine off camera. The end result was a small floral insert piece that fit inside the bottom of the heart. I placed the insert into the heart and used it to make 2 horizontal lines, one on each side of the heart. I wanted the lines to be about the same height as the grass in the insert. Next, I made a vertical line about 1/4 of an inch from the widest part of the heart on each side. The purpose of these marks is to be a guide to place my gem letters. There are 2 sets of each letter, so that worked out perfectly since I wanted to spell out the word mom using 2 rhinestone M's and the heart cut out as my O. The Dollar Tree alphabet gem stickers are really pretty with a lot of shine. I had never used these before, so I wasn't sure how they would work. I was afraid that they would be difficult to place and that they wouldn't hold their shape. However, I was very pleased to find that they peeled off relatively easily from the backing and maintained their shape as I secured them to the cardstock. Now, if you don't have these alphabet letters, you could recreate the same look using individual gems to make your letters. You could also use other stickers available at the Dollar Tree, or you could stamp the M's using alphabet stamps. There are a lot of options here to achieve a similar look. I glued a light teal card panel to my white card base, and then using foam tape, I attached my heart panel to the card front. To give my flowers a pop of color, I used the residual ink left on some of my blending brushes to color the petals, grass, and stems. I then glued the insert into place inside the heart. I pulled 3 gems from my Z sticker and glued them to the center of my flower for an extra shine. For the greeting, I used the sentiment, "You are an inspiration," from one of the Dollar Tree stamp sets with the dragonflies. I prepped a red strip of cardstock with an anti-static tool and then stamped it in Versamark ink. I sprinkled white embossing powder over the wet ink and heat set the powder with my heat tool. I trimmed the greeting into a banner. To give the card a more finished look, I made sure to cut the banner tail at the same angle as the bottom of the heart. This way, the banner's tail would run parallel to the edge of the heart's opening with a nice even gap. I used a heart cutout to mark where I wanted the banner to end. I placed the marks in pencil on top and bottom of the banner by placing the banner over the heart, making sure that both the heart and the banner were straight. My craft mat really helped with this part. Once I had the points, I used my trimmer to cut a straight line through the marks, creating the same angle as the bottom of the heart. You could use scissors for this, however at the moment I had misplaced mine, so I just went ahead and used my trimmer. I checked my banner alignment with the heart, and when I was satisfied, using my T-square, I put the greeting into place with foam tape. Lastly, I trimmed the overhang of the banner using scissors. And that's it for this card. This card actually came together very quickly, and I really love the elegant simplicity of it. This design can definitely be adjusted for various words and occasions. What do you think? Please leave me your thoughts in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and please leave me those comments below. I really do look forward to reading them. I hope you'll join me next time for another creation. Until then, have a wonderful week, and I hope life treats you kindly. Take care. Bye.